video to show you how you can use your Google Slide activities that you use as web content in Nearpod as a way to build up a virtual notebook. So I'm going to use this example. You can pre-create your notebook in any way that you want for your students and then assign them. So I use Google Classroom. I can easily assign it and assign one to each student. So it's their individual notebook. I can build in sections and I can even add the key things for each section. Like I really want my students to have all the vocabulary. So I would go in and add vocabulary for each section. And I might even include some kind of graph or something like that that I want them to have as a basis part of their notebook. And just as a guide for them. So then as we do activities within Nearpod, and I have students create work that I want them to add to their notebook, they could easily do that. So for example, this is a drag and drop activity that plenty of teachers use, right? So I have them pull over each term to whether it's a constant or a variable. When it's complete, the student, once they click on their slide to make sure that it's highlighted yellow, they can then right click and select copy or Command Control C to copy it, and then tab over to their virtual notebook, select on the slide. So this would go under section 1, select on the last slide in section 1, again, right click, and then paste. And so now my completed activity from the Nearpod activity or the Google Slide presentation within Nearpod, I can paste into my notebook. And then you do not have to link them, right? Because we don't really need to link it to that old Google Slide. I just need to create a running notebook here. So if you think about this feature that you're able to use, when you create activities within Nearpod, you can think of it in a way that you can create things that can be added to the notebook, including notes. You can have students just use the Google presentations in Nearpod as a place to write notes, and perhaps you use a background that guides them on what to write the notes on. That's it for this presentation. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we'd love to hear any feedback or suggestions on how you use this on Facebook or in our comments below. Thank you.